Welcome, everyone. Welcome to my new Human Sexuality series of lectures focusing on sex over 40. Yes, so many of you guys have contacted me asking me to do more lectures on sex. That seems to be the preferred topic for most of you, specifically what we call grown folk sex. You know how seasoned people throw down, like breaking backs, swinging from chandeliers, needing a defibrillator, or respiratory assistance. Hey, okay, just kidding. But am I really though?
Dr. Knox, sorry to interrupt, but we do have several sponsors for this course. So I wanted to let everyone know to review them and utilize their services as they see fit. That will be very helpful to us.
I am open to additional lecture title suggestions, so if you have a specific topic in mind, just send me your request. Now, over the next few weeks, we will be learning all about the following: sexuality in perspective, along with the theoretical perspectives on sexuality,
sex research, sexual anatomy, and body parts. This include erogenous zones. We will review how a simple touch can send you into a frenzy.
Dr. Knox, it's my turn to jump in. Some other fun topics we will be discussing is sexual arousal. Do you even know what really gets your insides spiraling out of control? Can it be attraction, or is there more to it? Is he hot? Or is he not? Another topic is intimacy and self-disclosure. When is it too soon to tell the person you are dating all of your business?
So, you want to date an alpha male? Well, what does that mean? What does it mean to be a dominant or submissive? And what are the characteristics of each?
There are many taboo topics in Dr. Knox's lecture notes which I will not mention. But I like that we will be exploring cougar relationships.
When is young too young? Hypersexuality and asexuality. What does it mean to be a hoochie mama, a nymph? You've heard the terms: slut, booty call, just a hookup, and whore. Sex for sale. Characteristics of the sex worker, perspectives on prostitution, giving it away for free versus getting paid for service.
Another great topic is, when do you tell your partner if you have an STD? Do you tell them before the first date so they can make an informed decision whether or not to continue pursuing you, or before your first sexual encounter? What do you mean first sexual encounter? Like in the middle of making out? OMG, do we have lots to talk about?
The different theories of love, research on love, and how scientists measuring love. We will then learn about the various relationship types, communication skills for great relationships, gender and sexuality, sexual orientation versus gender identity, and sexuality in a multicultural perspective.
Again, this is Dr. Bev Knox, and welcome to the course. If you have any issues, questions, or concern, you know how to contact me. Have a great semester.